Hey there, cocktail lovers. Welcome to the Grantham Pub Underground, the ultimate destination for all things cocktails, liquor, and beer. My name is Tom, and I'm thrilled to invite you to join me as we explore the world of mixology right here at our very own home bar. Here at the Grantham Pub Underground, we are all about creating delicious cocktails, tasting new and innovative drinks, and sharing our passion for mixology with all of you. From classic cocktails to new and exciting drinks, we'll be whipping up some amazing creations that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you wanting more. But that's not all. We'll even be diving into product reviews, beer and liquor tastings, and even hosting cocktail competitions and live happy hours. So, whether you are a seasoned mixologist or just looking to up your home bartending game, the Grantham Pub Underground is the place to be. So, grab a drink, sit back, and get ready to be entertained and inspired by the world of cocktails. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of cocktail lovers. Cheers to new beginnings and endless possibilities right here at the Grantham Pub Underground.